Mercator chart is so and so at 52° north. Give the length in inches of a straight line on the chart from A 58 north 42 east to Bravo 58 north 34 east. Basically, we are going to use scale formula. Scale equals to chart distance upon earth distance. Here we know the scale 1 divided by 3500. 1, 2, 3. Chart distance is what we have to find out in terms of inch. Earth distance is not given to us directly, but they have told us that there are two longitudes, 34 east and 42 east. Okay, the D long, and both positions are at same latitude. So A is here, correction, A is here and B is over here. The latitude is 58° north latitude. Now we have to find out the earth distance between position A and position B. So the distance between them is nothing but your rumline distance. Now rumline distance will be equal to D long in minutes into cos of latitude. What is D long? The difference between these two longitudes is 42 minus 34, 8°, right? Same hemisphere, subtract. So 8° into 60 minutes into cos of 50, cos 58. So 8 cos 58 is equal to 0.52. So 8 into 60 into 0.52 equals to 254.36 or 254 nautical miles. That is rumline distance. Okay, so let's substitute this value in the formula here. 1 divided by 3500 equals to chart distance in inches divided by earth distance of 254 nautical miles. Therefore, chart distance will be equal to cross multiply 254 nautical miles divided by 3500 and other 3 zeros. Now we want a final answer to be in inches. Chart distance in inches. So convert this to 254 nautical mile into corresponding inches. How will you do that? 254 nautical mile into 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. Now converting 100 centimeter into corresponding inches, you divide by 2.54. So 350,000 into 2.54. So chart distance will be equal to 254 into 1852 into 100, that is 47,040,800 divided by 3500 into 2.54, that is 8890,123. So divide this 47040800 divided by 8890,123. That is equal to 5.29, that is 5.3 inches. So final answer is 5.3 inch. Okay. Question number 7. There is a Mercator chart. The spacing between two meridians 1 degree apart is so and so 2.82 centimeter. Now this becomes your chart distance. What latitude will the scale be equal to so and so? Now scale equals to chart distance upon earth distance. What is scale? 1 divided by 2319,123. Chart distance is 2.82 centimeter. Earth distance we do not know. Now cross multiply. Earth distance will be equal to 2.82 centimeter multiplied by 2319,123. Now when you multiply this, you get earth distance in terms of centimeter. So 2.82 multiplied by 2319,123. That is 6539 580 centimeter. Now convert this centimeter into corresponding nautical miles. How will you do that? So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, so divide this by 100, you get in meters. Okay, and converting meter. So just a second. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So this becomes, so now your answer is in meter. Converting meter into nautical miles. We know that 1 nautical mile equals to 1852 meters. So this is how many meter? This is equal to 6539 5.8 meter. Okay, when you divide this by 100, the answer is 6539 5.8 meter. So 6539 5.8 meter equals to how many nautical mile? Cross multiply. X will be equal to 6539 5.8 meter divided by 1852 meter. So answer will be 6539 5.8 divided by 1852 equals to 35.3 nautical miles. So your Earth distance, X is nothing but your Earth distance is 35.3 or approximately 35 nautical miles. Now we have two meridians. We have two meridians. The spacing between them is 1 degree. D long is 1 degree. Okay. So Earth distance is nothing but your line distance. D long in minutes into cos of latitude. So what is line distance here? 35.3 nautical miles. D long in minutes is nothing but 1 degree. So 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So 1 degree into 60 into cos of latitude. We have to find out latitude of these two positions. So cos lat will be equal to 35.3 divided by 60 is equal to 0.58. So latitude will be equal to cos inverse 0.58, 0.59 something. So how will you find that out? Press shift button and then press cos button. You will get answer in 53 degree 56 minutes. So latitude is 53 degree 56 minutes or approximately 54 degree north latitude, or it can be 54 degree south latitude. So correct answer is 53 degree 54 degree. Okay, simple. Next, question number 8. Mercator chart, the spacing between two meridians is so and so centimeter. What is the scale of the chart as a representative fraction in latitude 56 north? So scale will be equal to chart distance upon earth distance. Chart distance is 5.42 centimeter. Earth distance is not given to us directly. A direct value is not given to us. We have to find that value. D long is 1 degree, right? And the latitude is 56 north. So round line distance will be equal to your earth distance equals to d long in minutes into cos lat. So 1 degree into 60 into cos 56. So cos 56 into 60 equals to 33.55 nautical miles. So your scale will be equal to chart distance of 5.42 centimeter divided by 33.5 nautical miles. So 5.42 centimeter divided by 33.5 nautical miles into meter 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. Now both the units of numerator and denominator are the same. So 5.42 centimeter divided by 33.5 into 1852 into 100 is 6204,200 centimeter. Now dividing this by 5.42, your answer will be 1 divided by 1144,686. So scale at 56 degree north latitude is equal to 1 divided by 1144,686. So select that option which is closest to this value. Next. Question number 9. Scale of a Mercator chart is so and so. At so and so latitude, what is the spacing in centimeters? So what is the chart distance between meridians which are 1 degree apart? So let's find out Earth distance, which is equal to Ramline distance first. It's d log in minutes into cos of latitude, right? So d log is 1 degree into 60 minutes into cos 52. So cos 52 into 60 is 36.9 or approximately 37 nautical miles. Now scale is equal to chart distance upon earth distance. Therefore, 1 divided by 3500,123 equals to chart distance in terms of centimeter divided by earth distance, which is 37 nautical miles. Now convert that into centimeter. Why? We want the final answer to be in centimeter. So 37 nautical miles into 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. Therefore, chart distance will be equal to 37 into 1852 into 100 divided by 35, 1, 2. So 37 into 1852 into 100 divided by 35,001. That is equal to 1.957 centimeter something. So approximately 2 centimeter. Approximately 2 centimeter. Last question, question number 10. There is a scale of a Mercator chart given to you at a particular latitude 47 north. What distance does 1 inch on the chart represent in 47 north? So we have to find out Earth distance. Scale equals to chart distance upon Earth distance. 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5107,200 equals to chart distance 1 inch. Earth distance we have to find out in terms of nautical mile. Before that, let's cross multiply. Earth distance will be equal to 1 into 5107,200 inch. So basically Earth distance is nothing but 5107,200 inch. Okay. 200. Now let's convert this into nautical miles. So first convert inches into centimeter. So 1 inch is 2.52 centimeter, 2.54 centimeter. Converting centimeter into meter, what will you do? You will divide by 100. So that will give you an answer in meters. So finally 51072 into 2.54 meter is equal to 12,129,722.88 meter. Now 1 nautical mile equals to 1852 meter. So 129,722 722.88 meter will be equal to how many nautical miles? How many nautical miles? So x will be equal to 129,722.88 divided by 1852. So 129,722.88 divided by 1852 is 70 nautical miles. So the final answer is 70 nautical miles. So what distance in nautical mile does 1 inch on the chart represent at this latitude? So 70 nautical mile will be equal to 1 inch with a scale of this much at latitude 47 degree north. Simple. Next, what is the spacing in centimeter between meridians that are 10 degree apart? So over here scale is going to remain the same as in sub question number A. 1 divided by 5107 200. Chart distance is what we have to find out. Earth distance is nothing but your umbilical distance, because two longitudes which are 10 degree apart. Latitude is 47 north, so use that same latitude. So 600 cos 47 into 600 is 409 nautical miles. Right? Substitute here. Chart distance divided by 409 nautical miles. Now we want our chart distance to be in centimeter. So convert 409 nautical mile into centimeter multiplied by meter multiplied by centimeter. Cross multiply. So 409 into 1852 into 100 divide by 5107 200. So 409 into 1852 divide by 51072. 14.8 or approximately 15 centimeters. So chart distance is 15 centimeters. Would the scale at 30 degree north have a larger or a smaller denominator than the scale given to us? So scale at 47 north is 5 divided by, correction, 1 divided by 5107,000. Right? Now we have to find out scale at 30 degree north and whether that scale will be longer or smaller than this particular scale. So let's find out scale at equator first. Scale at equator equals to, this is a two-step process. By finding scale at equator, we will find scale at 30 degree north. Scale at equator will be equal to scale at particular latitude into cos of that latitude. So over here, scale at equator will be equal to scale at 47 degree latitude, which is 1 divided by 5107,000 into cos of that latitude, cos of 47. Now cos 47 is 0.68. So 0.68 divided by 5107,000. Dividing numerator and denominator by 0.68, you get 5107,000 divided by 0.68 to be equal to 1 divided by 7510294. Okay, so scale at equator is 1 divided by 7510294. Now let's find out scale at equator equals to scale at 30 degree north latitude into cos of 30. So scale at 30 degree north latitude will be equal to scale at equator, cross multiply, in divide by cos 30. Now so scale at equator is how much? 1 divided by 7510294 into cos 30, 0.86. So this value multiplied by 7510294 equals to 1 divided by 6504105. The scale at 30° north latitude. 1 divided by 6504105. Now what is the scale at 47? It is 51 lakh. And what is the scale at 30 north? It is 65 lakh, right? So 51 lakh and 65 lakh. So would the scale at 30 north have a larger or a smaller denominator? So scale at 30 north, as you can see, has a larger denominator 65, which is much more than 51 lakh. So it would have larger denominator than scale at 30° than the scale at 47° north latitude. So this is how you do the sum. So I'll stop here. I will do the next three questions in the next video lecture, the last three questions. I hope you have understood all the five questions I have solved in this video lecture. Let me know your questions, comments in the comment box of this video lecture. I thank you for your time. Please share this channel with your friends and hit the like button of this video if you have liked this video lecture. I'll see you in the next video lecture.